Hello. So today we'll fly from Shanghai. It's a new add-on made by I think it's WF Senri, the name of the company. So today we'll fly from Shanghai to Taipei. It's a short flight. The airport looks like empty, but most of the aircraft are on the other side. It's a very nice airport, and the VRAM usage is quite good, 5.2 gigabyte. Okay, so we fly. I don't think I can pronounce it right. Juneyao Airlines. Flight 1309. The local time right now is it's 8:25 a.m. So the cost index will be 20, zero fuel weight 59.6, and takeoff weight 66.1. We'll cruise at flag level 360. Flight time we expect 1 hour and 21 minutes. Contingency alternate airport RMQ. I don't know what airport is it. It's this one. Final reserve 1 tons, and our block fuel will be 6.7 tons. This is our route. I don't know why it's going this way. It's gonna be longer. This is the route Juneyao Airlines used yesterday. All right. And something is bothering me because I can't operate the jetways right now because it's saying that I am too far. The front wheel must be over here, as you can see. Oops. Over here for Airbus A320. Oof, I can hear aircraft taking off. 787 of All Nippon Airways. So yes, I am parked too far, but I don't know how to move the aircraft here. I will have to start the engine, but it's not realistic. So we want to simulate the boarding of the passenger. It's not a big deal. Alright, so external power is connected on battery 1 and 2 on IRS and nav. Know the current position of the aircraft. We have electrical power, so nav light on. Crew supply on for the record. Emergency light arm. It does that sometime. Okay. Nav lights on. Okay, so cockpit light. For the weather radar on later for the TCAS switch as on. Okay, the frequency for the clearance 125.1.
Clearance delivery DKH1309 with the information request clearance.
DKH1309 clear to RCTP via the AIG 11 Delta departure runway 17 left and F5 climb to
We have 150 passengers on board. The fuel it's 8.1. Oh, no. 6.7 tons. Zero fuel weight 59.6. So cargo 3.3. Oops.
Contact ground on 121.7.
59.6. All right. From the flag will be from Shanghai to Taipei. Flag number is DK. I think it's DKH. Oops. DKH 1309. Cost index 20. Flag level 360. Zero fuel weight 59.6. Don't know why, but the center of gravity it's always 26. And for my Airbus A320 it's always I think it's 8 or something like that. And here the takeoff trim is always plus 0.8. Alright. It's not like PMDG. PMDG it's very realistic.
Ground 1337, request taxi.
1337, taxi via Romeo 6, runway 16 right.
Via Romeo 6, runway 16, right, 1337.
Ground 1109er, ready to taxi.
1109er, taxi via Lima.
6, runway 16, right, Air Asia 368.
Okay, 17 left, it's too far. I will request 16 right.
501, ready to taxi.
501, taxi via Lima 04 Bravo 8, runway 17 left.
Via Lima 04 Bravo 8 to runway 17 left, 501.
Request runway 16 right, DKH 1309er. DKH 1309er, contact clearance on 125.1. 125.1, DKH 1309er. Request runway 16 right, DKH 1309er.
DKH 1309er, clear to RCTP via the AIG 12 Delta departure runway 16 right and F5 climb to
The SID
departure frequency is 120.6 transponder to 5474 QNH 1017.
Clear to RCTP via Lambda G1 to Delta runway 16 right, climbing to 9 south. Expect flight level 360, departure on 120.6. Squawk
Nicole,
5474, QNH 1017, DKH 1309er.
DKH 1309er, read is correct. Contact ground on 121.7.
Roger 121.7, DKH 1309er.
Alright, insert arrival.
Ground 5586.
It's gonna be ILS runway 05 left.
Charlie 4 Charlie Delta Alpha
Star
Gate 14
Via Charlie
Baki
4 Charlie
1A.
Delta Alpha to gate 145586.
Transition Jamie. Okay, I can't select the transition here. Maybe it's over here. Oh, okay, the transition is here. Altitude to set 9,000. Transition altitude 9,800. So let's check the flight plan. Alright, so we'll take off from runway 16 right and we'll turn a little bit to the left. It's quite similar to the real flight, yesterday flight. Yesterday flight, it took them, let's see, what was the flight time? 1 hour and 31 minutes. Alright. And performance. Okay, transition altitude is set. Flaps 2, trim up
Ground 8843.
0.8.
Request startup.
8843 startup is approved.
Roger, startup approved. 8843.
So V1 we take off with flex temperature 59 degrees Celsius for the assumed temperature for the engine. Is V1 141, VR 142 and V2 143.
Runway 16 right 8843.
That's it. Start the APU.
Ground 83
No device auto and seatbelt sign on.
Taxi via Lima 16 Bravo Alpha Bravo 8 runway 17 left. Via Lima
Close the
16
door.
Bravo Alpha Bravo 8 runway 17 left A31.
It's quite empty this side. I am alone. Okay, we request startup and pushback.
Ground EKH1309. Request startup and pushback.
EKH1309er startup is approved.
Roger, cleared for startup EKH1309.
Okay, APU is running, prop hit on, APU blit on,
Ground 8648.
beacon on, because we are about to start the engine,
Golf 1 Hotel Foxtrot Echo to gate
fuel
1.
pumps
Via Golf
on.
1 Hotel Foxtrot Echo.
Hello, Captain. We're ready for pushback.
You can hear the sound of the air. It's the APU providing bleed air.
Locking gear.
So ground power unit off. We'll check the traffic counts. I don't know, with this aircraft, this Aerosoft, I can't press F. If I press F11,
Ground
it's
2519.
giving me
Cleared off
this.
the runway. Request taxi for parking.
2519er taxi via Delta 5 Alpha Bravo to gate 1.
Okay, it's gonna be nose to the right.
Departure check completed. Bypass pin inserted. Release parking brakes. Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
Okay, AP is on, AP bleed is on to provide bleed air for the engine. Alright, we can start number 2. It's typically 35 seconds or 30 seconds to start the engine, to start one engine. Our N1 for the takeoff will be 85.4%, around 30 seconds to start the engine. You can start number 1.
Ground 5512, clear off, runway 17 right. 5512, taxi via Delta 4 Delta Alpha Bravo to 815. Via Delta 4 Delta Alpha Bravo to 8155512.
Set parking brakes.
Waiting your confirmation for good engine start.
Okay. One and 2 available, so we can confirm good engine start. And auto brake max, spoiler arm. Engine start normal.
Unlocking gear.
057, request taxi.
5057,
If you off,
taxi
if you
via
bleed
Lima
off.
05 Bravo Alpha Bravo 8 to runway 17 left.
Taxi to runway 17.
You can see the difference, it's very automated. If you compare to the 737 or the 767, it's very automated. No packs to turn off manually, it's
Ground 90385. Request
very automated.
385.
No generator
Tow
to
truck disconnected. Bypass it.
to switch on manually.
via Bravo.
Very, very automated. So flight control,
90385.
trim up 0.8.
Ground 889er, ready to taxi. 8889er.
Okay, the rudder.
20 Bravo Papa
Left is
5
clear.
Lima
Right is
05
clear.
Romeo 6 to runway 16
Alright.
right.
Via
Tra-
20 Bravo Papa 5005 Romeo 6 to
Ailerons.
6 right 889er.
Full right, neutral, full left. Elevator, full up, neutral, full down. The library, it's not very white, it's a little bit yellow. I will check later on Google how to move the aircraft where when the engine are switched off, because I think it will always do that. It will park the aircraft too far for the right parking position. I will check that later. Alright, flaps 2. Okay. Can request taxi.
Ground EKH1309, request taxi.
DKH1309er, taxi via Lima 08 Romeo 6 to runway 16 right.
Via Lima 08 Romeo 6 to runway 16 right. EKH1309er.
Romeo 6. Okay. Lima 08. Alright, the runway is quite close. Okay, let's go. I don't use that often. Sometimes I look at it, but I know it by heart.
At this time, we also request that you install your electronic devices until we are above 2,000 feet. I will notify you that it's safe to bring these items up for use. If there's any question as to what device you can use on board today, please refer
But
to
the
one of
visibility, it's not a good visibility. 7 kilometers, it's quite good. Or 4.3 miles. 16 degrees Celsius.
Papa 6 Lima 05 to gate 4.
Yeah, Charlie 4, Charlie, Papa.
United, Swiss, Cathay Pacific, British Airways, All Nippon, Air New Zealand, Air China.
Ground 90345. Request taxi.
90345. Taxi via Bravo 4 Delta Bravo Bravo 8.
Okay, takeoff configuration is normal.
Bravo 4 Delta Bravo 8. Runway 17 left 90345.
Ground 3 in air 8906. Ready to taxi. 8906. Taxi via Lima 15 Bravo 8. Runway 17 left. Via Lima 15 Bravo 8 to runway 17 left. 3 in air 8906. 1858.
118.
Decimal.
ATH 1309. Tower DKH 1309. Holding short of runway 16 right. Ready for departure.
DKH 1309. Line up runway 16 right.
Lining up to runway 16 right. DKH 1309.
So TCAS is on, landing light on, takeoff, strobe on. Left is clear, right is clear. Take off.
DKH 1309. Wind 200 at 6. Runway
Chrono.
16 right. Clear to take off. Good flight.
Runway 16
Climb
right.
flex.
Clear for takeoff. DKH 1309.
Tower 831. Holding short runway 17 left.
831. Line up runway 17 left.
Line up runway 17 left. 831.
101.
Wind
V1,
200
contact.
6. Runway 17 left. Clear to take off. Good flight.
Clear for takeoff. Runway 17 left. 831.
Das devrait être dur.
Departure DKH 1309. Passing 700 for 9,000.
DKH 1309. Radar contact. Continue with MIG 12 Delta. Departure. Climb to 9,000.
By Lambda G1 to Delta departure. Climbing 9,000. DKH 1309.
Okay, climb. Autopilot on.
Departure 9520 at 7,300. 9520. Roger.
Flaps 1. Time's up.
Departure 517 with you at 7,400 for 4,517.
Roger. Descent to 4,000.
Descending to 4,517.
Okay, we are about to descend now. It was a smooth flight, just a little bit of turbulence after the takeoff. It's a very nice simulation with the tablet and the phone. Also, if you unlock the door at a certain time, the flight attendant will give you some coffee, and you'll see a cup of coffee on the table. Nice. Okay, we are about to descend. So.
DKH130 Niner, expect PAK Echo 1 Alpha to level. Expect ILS approach 105 left. Transmission JAM Mike Yankee.
Okay.
Echo 1 Alpha, expect ILS approach runway 05 left.
I will enter the information. So,
DKH130 Niner, descend to flight level
let's
230.
descend.
Descending to flight level 230. DKH130
230. So transfer altitude 190. 190. Okay, it's quite high. Most of the time, flag transfer altitude 190 and 180. It's in North America. But okay, 190. And what's the weather? PNH 1015. Outside temperature 21 degrees Celsius. The wind 20 degrees at 10 knots. Okay, runway 05. Barrow, it's 273 for the ILS, and the speed, approach speed 132. We have to add the wind correction, so half the headwind correction, the headwind for the correction. So it's going to be 5 times cosinus 05, runway 05, so 50 degrees minus 20. It's 30. So it's around 4 or 5 the wind correction. So well, 137 is gonna be okay for the approach speed. So it's gonna be we'll pass, we'll fly close to the airport. It's gonna be a nice approach on runway 05 left. But it's gonna be a long taxi because our gate is Bravo 6 or Bravo 7, something like that. Alright. 60, okay. Localizer.
2,500.
Tower DKH 1309er, runway 05 left. On final, DKH 1309er, slow to final approach speed, QNH 10.
Localizer capture, approche.
05 left. Reducing the final approach speed, QNH 1015, cleared to land, runway 05 left, DKH 1309er.
Tower, Eber 867.
Shutdown, approach speed 127.
Departure.
EV8867, line up runway 05 right.
Lining up runway 05 right, Eber 867.
Flaps 3. And flaps full. Spoiler is arm, landing light on, runway turn off on. Clear to land.
EV8867, wind 020 at 10, runway 05 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 05 right, clear for takeoff, Eber 867.
Traffic. Traffic.
Tower 2009er, on final, runway 05 left.
2009er, clear to land, runway 05 left, QNH 1015.
Clear to land, runway 05 left, QNH 1015, 2009er.
Yes, around at 800 feet, it should be clear.
One thousand.
Tower, Korean Air 69er 7, on runway 05 west. Korean Air 69er 7,
Okay.
clear to land,
Yeah.
runway 05 right, slow to final approach speed, QNH 1015. Clear to land, runway 05 west, reducing to
Autopilot
final
off.
approach speed, QNH 1015, Korean Air 69er 7.
Five hundred. 400. 300. 100 above. 200. Minimum
Continue.
100. 50. 40. 30. Retard. 10. 5.
Reverse. off.
1309er, east, right, contact from 121
Decimal.
6. 121 decimal 6, EKH 1309er.
Flight time 1 hours and 27 minutes.
Ground EKH 1309er is clear of the runway. Request taxi to parking. EKH 1309er, taxi via November Charlie November 6, Terminal 1 Peak Bravo 7. By member Charlie November 6, Terminal 1 Peak Bravo 7, EKH 1309er.
Alright. That was a nice flight. It's shorter than I expected for the taxi. It's a Bravo 7, Bravo 5, 6, 7.
Ground 896, requesting engine start and pushback.
896, startup and pushback is approved.
Startup and push approved, 896.
Taxi light off, runway turn off, light off. Just to avoid the blending the people on the ground.
Taxi to runway 05, right, via 07, 02, 02, 02, 01.
Via 07, 06, 05, 02, 01, 2, runway 05, right, 896.
Alright, parking brake is set, APU is running. Beacon off. Traffic counts, wheel chocks, external power, store. Ground power unit connected and APU off. Let's see. Let's compare fuel use estimated 3.6. Oh, 3.9 tons. Don't know why the difference. Touch rate is quite good, 176 feet per minute. Flight time 1 hour and 26 minutes. 5 minutes longer. Okay, maybe on Simbrief, because we didn't know the seat and the star, maybe because of that. Okay. Oh. Ah. Okay. Red jetways. Wow, that's cool. GSX did a great job. I park exactly where I was supposed to park, at the parking spot for the Airbus A320. Cool. The door. Undock. Okay, I will select the other jetway. Fuel pumps off. This is the base of Eva Air. It's a very nice livery. I never flew with Eva Air on Prepar3D. So passenger will deboard now. Nice flex, except for at Shanghai, the jetways didn't work because the parking spot wasn't right. Nice flight. It's quite easy to flex the Airbus A320, quite automated. Alright. Thanks for watching.